Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to post my gains for today, July 3rd. It's a good start to the month, up $953 on Tesla. I bought one put that I made $22 on, and then I scalped with shares, made $930. So year to date, that puts us up 18,108, which is great. And then if you strictly just look at Tesla, which I should probably just trade Tesla from now on, I'm up over 21,000 just strictly trading Tesla. So overall, we're doing good. We're up 18,000. Let's just break down the trades and look at the charts. All right, so I'm using Webull. This is the today's chart. You can see the time on the bottom right here at 4 a.m. So on Fidelity Active Trader Pro, you can only start trading at 7 a.m. My first trade didn't come until about 10:07, which we'll break down. You can see down here the 15-minute time frames, 9:15, 9:30. So we're in this area where we started trading. But I drew out this bull flag because right at the open at 9:30, we had a massive rise up, and then you could see the bull flag form here, and then we had continuation all the way up from 280 up to 284. So I actually missed this entire run. I was kind of afraid that the trade would just go sideways on me, but clearly I didn't read the bullishness. But when we started getting the pullback is when I started making my entry. So my first entry was actually at the 281, where I bought at 281 and then sold up at 281.5. My second entry though, which was the majority of my gains, was waiting for this double bottom, which is right here at the 280 psychological level, which it only went down to 280.04. And the reason that I entered right here, which was right here at 280.3, and I sold up at 281, was because I was watching this wick right here that you can see outlined, how the buyers were taking over. So you had selling pressure. And with this candle, you can see that the sellers opened the candle right at the top here, but they closed it right here at 280.41. And then the green candle indicates that the buyers started coming in at 280.04 and they closed it at 280.8. So right there was my entry, just watching this wick right here. And it was not continuation, because if you follow this wick and then this one, and this is on the 1 minute, you could also use the 2 minute if you want as well. If you use the 2 minute, you can see that the continuation right here, there was no sell off below the 280 mark. And that's what I used to make my entries there. So basically around that 10:07 mark, 10:09 right here, and then it blasted up. So it's definitely something to look into, just scalping Tesla. And I don't like to hold because then you get these massive moves down from 282 down to 277, then I would be down. But I stopped trading after this, and it looks like there were some entries here at the 275 mark. But I just wanted to show you real quick update, July 3rd. We're only going to have 3 other trading days, I believe, because Tuesday we're off from trading, and then we have the 5th, 6th, and 7th. So we'll see what we can make this week, but we're up almost $1,000 on the week, which is a solid start. And just a side note, I made a quick question to the community. Do you think PayPal is a good investment? It looks like we have 73% believe it is. So I'm going to start dollar cost averaging in them just so everybody can see. And you can definitely check out my other videos if you want to learn day trading. The day trading on Fidelity Active Trader Pro. I have the shortcuts. I have just the Pro setup and just basic tutorials on how to actually trade actively using a trading platform. So those are my most viewed, so definitely check those out if you want to just see what it's about and how to actually learn how to day trade.